So ano po yung action? Kasi on church institutions, on Catholic institutions that don't toe the line or do not believe, well, is there any special action on this? Or wag na lang, hayaan na lang? Hindi ba kasi private institutions? Maybe for example, Catholics, I mean hospitals or schools or is there anything that the CBCP or Pro-Life needs to do with them or hayaan na lang? What's the strategy po?
Yung option na hayaan, hindi tama, iyon na. We should not be indifferent to anything which is, I will use the word, paborito kita, kung sa music, yabag na, yung out of tune na, or mali na. We're confronting the issue on many fronts. For example, sabihin ko na lang muna yan sa Cebu, no? For instance, regular yung meeting namin ng aming Superintendent of Catholic Schools, no? Or yung members ng Catholic Education Association of the Philippines, no? Yung CIAP. At yung doon sa meeting, yung pinag-usapan namin iba-ibang issue na halimbawa in this regard, we really tell the school heads, to teach what's in accordance with the teaching of the church. I will go muna sa example ng isang obispo, no? When he learned, no, na yung parang isang school, no, hindi nagre-respond ng ganyan, sabi niya, you claim to be a Catholic school, I will make an official declaration that you are not a Catholic school. Kaya, sanksyon, no, nagkambyo, natakot din sila, no? And that's what, many are doing, no? Kaya minsan yung iba, misguided nga or ignorant, no? They think they're doing right, no? Or they misinterpret things.